ZeroBounce Enhanced Catch-All Email Validation.
Hello and welcome everybody. Today I'm going to give you another quick showcase of how we are doing an all-new ZeroBounce catch-all deep verification that will allow us to break through the additional barriers that catch-all results currently give everybody. And so with that, I am very excited to share with you the process of how this will work. So what we will do, I'm going to upload a file here, and it's going to just have a bunch of catch-alls. So I'm uploading it here. In that file, we're going to have some different columns. I've gone ahead and put some different stuff in here. I have, these are things that might be on your file, some customer IDs or some template IDs. Here's an email address, etc. Going to go ahead and hit next. This is our Verify Plus setting that I've gone over in the past. Please go ahead and hit accept for this validation or always allow. If you hit do not allow, we will not take a Verify Plus next steps, which is that additional catch-all deep cleaning. This is not an additional charge. We just need you to give us the consent in order to proceed. I'm going to go ahead here and you see I have 996 emails. Do I want to score them? For this concept, I'm going to say no and just do the validation. So as I'm going through here, it's going to go ahead and again, process my file. So it's going to start, it got picked up. It's now processing. For files that have some larger sizes, we'll go ahead and show you the progress and an estimated time of what it will take to complete that verification. So once this gets moving here, I'm going to go ahead and pause it until it gets into this next step so I can show you what that looks like. Just a quick update, I want to show you that we do indeed provide the progress as it's going on the page. So as you can see, my file is continuing to process and I have about less than 1 minute left. When the initial validation process is complete, you will then see a phase 2 start to kick in. You can notice that, but you'll see this being able to be progressed here. So as I hover over it, you can see the catch-all email validation is in progress. I want to be super clear. This is something that we did in the intent to go ahead and reduce catch-alls and give you a valid or invalid response. This is really hard to do from a validation point of view, and it takes additional time. So we didn't want people to also be hung up. You can indeed download your results, and this is the same validation process as you would have been used to with ZeroBounce at any point in time. You can download it, and we're going to give you all the results that did come back as catch-all. However, there are lots of people that do and will be open to giving us this additional time to go ahead and get past this initial phase. And so with that, take a look at now what we're doing. So we now have a phase 2 catch-all email validation. We are going through and analyzing those catch-alls, and we are attempting to get to a better answer. This takes more time. We need more time. We need more resources to accomplish this. You can see this is powered by Verify Plus. We do request 36 hours to complete this stage. If you do not wish to wait, again, you are always welcome to download the results and you will get them back as catch-alls. If you can spare that time, it is well worth the wait. We're going to break through those barriers. That time frame is not necessarily dependent on exactly how many emails were in the list or how many catch-alls that you had. We need some time to break through some of the walls and wait for some messages to come back based on that email. And so as this continues to progress, we will go through the countdown and we will reduce the number of catch-alls as a result of this process. So we're very excited for it. There is no additional charge for this service. This is included with ZeroBounce and Verify Plus. We're excited to announce and release this today. And as a result, this will get you better and higher quality results in your catch-all category.